Hi Shannon,
Hi.
can you share your NUS open house experience?
Yeah, sure. I went to open house last year. I can share my experience on how it sparked my interest in community development. So let's go. I was touring the open house last year when the Chua Tian Po Community Leadership Center's booth caught my attention. I was invited to their mini tour where I got to learn more about the curriculum and even obtain a minor degree in community development and leadership. I was inspired by the project showcased by the CTP CLC alumni, and I also wanted to do something meaningful for the community during my time at NUS. So in my first year, in my first semester in NUS, I took CLC 1101 in this lecture hall. And this was me attending CLC 1101 last semester. Oh, and I even volunteered at CTP CLC's events. Okay, so navigating through your studies and developing your portfolio can be a bit overwhelming. So come on down to NUS Open House where you can speak to us and we will provide you with useful information and advice to help you get started. And who knows, you may find special programs in NUS like how I found CTP, CLC. So see you at Open House. Bye bye!